guys. So I put spray foam in here when I trim the fenders. Do not do that. That is the complete opposite of what you should do. I thought it was a good idea at the time, but when you trim your rear fenders, just either take it to a shop to have them weld it, or don't trim it nearly as high so you can avoid it altogether. Sides, we're at the point where I need to take a wire wheel to it to clean it up, so I have bare metal to start welding. These are some of the pliers that I used to hold the fenders together to get it tack welded and to lay down the seams. I got them at Harbor Freight, I want to say for about 10 or 12 bucks. Looking about done. I just have to clean it up a whole bunch with the grinder. Then from there I'm gonna do the seam sealer on the inside and then move on to painting it to at least make it look somewhat decent until I get the rear quarter panel armor. For a guy welding on a 25-year-old Cherokee with not a ton of experience, doesn't look too bad. I'm just trying to make it so I can actually do water crossings without being terrified. Gotta clean up just a little bit more, but it's getting there. driver's side, it's pretty well done. I just have a couple spots to redo it, just touch it up, fix it a little bit. Well, it didn't come out as bad as I thought. I still have to do a little bit of cleaning up on it, then hit it with some paint. So this is the seam sealer I'm going to use on the inside of the fender well to help somewhat waterproof it, and then I'm going to paint it like crazy on the outside just to help protect the metal until I get the rear quarter panel armor. So I was able to get it all in there, smoothed over. A little goes a long way with this stuff. I only needed one tube to do both wheel wells, and I just covered any daylight I seen through my welds. I just covered it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions on what I've done to the Jeep, just comment down below and stay tuned for some of our future adventures.